Yeah, some days I feel unfazed, like when I'm with my friends with a cup raised. Come Monday, I got a gun raised, suicidal to a dime.
Guys, what's up? UK here, and today we've got like a good squad. I'm sorry, I had headphones on. I didn't realise how cracky my voice was. So anyway, today we've got a God Squad video, but it's a bit of a mix-up. Because it's St. Paddy's Day or St. Patrick's Day, we're going to try and intertwine it with like Ireland and that. So what we're going to be doing is I've got 4 remaining match attacks cards, the coupon things that you enter them on the site and you get cards. And basically, the top 2 highest rated players I get, I'm going to build them in God Squad. But also, any Irish players I get, they have to be in the squad. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. So let's do this all again. Because I've got so much stuff on this computer, I've like literally, I can't even be able to explain it. But anyway, we got so many shiny cards in that. 7 out of the 10 cards are shiny. 3 duo cards, 3 man of the matches. That Morales card looks beautiful. And a Jan Vertonghen. So it's Jan Vertonghen is so far the highest rated card. Not a great start. I think Kevin Morales is lower. Don't take my word for it. Four, 5, 4, QM, GR. Right, come on, what we're gonna get in this. Oh, Thibaut Courtois man of the match. That ain't bad actually. Carlos Tevez, cult hero, jeez. 99 defense on that. To be fair, Tevez and Courtois are so far the highest players. And I forgot to check if we were getting any Irish. Is Charlie Adam Irish? He better not be, otherwise I have to use him and he sucks. Oh, thank God he's Scottish. Right. Yep, so Courtois and Tevez. Let's just write this down a minute, sorry. Tevez, Courtois. Just, keep a record of it all right. Next. Oh, sorry, just got Fly. I've already listened to Fly. Sorry, I just can't love this. KS X5. Right, we literally got nothing in that pack. We've got Eric Dyer away kit, and of course the Pro 11 you get in every pack. Kapoy, average, so average. Don't rate him. Live Van Dijk though. Or Barbo the tank. Right, final one. RM 5k. Yo, we got 2 Vertonghen's, both shinies. Ooh, that Depay card is quite nice. That's super strike. Right, so I'm just gonna go head over to Fithead. Coleman, you know that's not allowed. So I just want to see this. He does, he's got a card in every part. That'd actually be such a sick team to use though. I was about to say somebody actually made that. Somebody actually make it, but then they were like, oh wait, no, you can't, can you? Do it with like Lewandowski and Ribery. That'd actually be such a sick team. Damn. Okay. Close my eyes, can't see. Oh wait, yeah. Can't see what formation, bang. What have we, I missed. And I missed again. 4-3-3, that ain't bad. So we've got Tevez. This is in form because that's a nice card. And right, we're hitting it up with Andre Chavez. Or Chavez. He's so beast, I love him. Right. Di Maria, man of the match. Javier Pastore. Why? Mahudi. Come on. Hunt the hyperlinks, hunt the hyperlinks. Yeah, Blinky Zuma because he's French, isn't he? He's an Argentine. Oh. Eminem any day. Rojo. But it got deleted. Sanya, upgrade to Sanya. Bang. Look at that. A 2 million coin squad. That plays so well, right? Now just listen to this. So you got that solid goalie. The defence is quite weak. Not like physically weak, they're all tanks, but like, to be fair, they're all quite quick. Slowest is a 72 pace marker, Rojo. Midfield, quick, strong, defending, dribble it. Oh, that's just a beautiful midfield. Then the attack, Andre Chavez, Inform Tevez, and Manuel Di Maria. Oh, that is beautiful. I just want to check out his stats. Beast rating of 86. Shot power 95. 8. Man of the match, Mikel. Right, let's just check out this dude's stats. Finishing 89 shot. Right, guys, I want you to leave it in the comments. Which card would you say would be better? This Inform Tevez. Oh yeah, he broke Insane's jaw, didn't he? Yeah, so Inform Tevez, Team of the Year Pogba, Man of the Match Di Maria. Which card would you rather see? Would you like to see? I'm so bad at saying this. Would you like to have in your team? 76 finishing, you're actually having a laugh. He shot like 80 odd. What's his strength? 97 strength. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you later.